The sound and feel of a V8 roaring away is one of the biggest appeals of driving a performance car fitted with that type of engine. Given speed limits, it may even be the biggest appeal for some buyers. That all goes away with electric vehicles, but some automakers are looking at ways to keep some of the V8 magic alive, even if it means resorting to simulations of the real thing. One of those automakers is Dodge, whose redesigned Charger, that debuted in March, will offer buyers the choice between an electric powertrain or a twin-turbocharged 3.0-litre inline-six. In each case, there will be an exhaust note, though for the electric Charger Daytona, the exhaust note will be the result of a sound generator, known as the Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust. The name comes from the Dodge's Fratzonic logo, which was revived for the new Charger. The system uses transducers under the body that are amplified by resonators, like a muffler resonator, then piped out of the car. It is augmented by electronics inside and makes what Dodge calls Hellcat levels of sound. While an earlier version of the Fratzonic system, shown in 2022's Charger Daytona SRT concept, left a lot to be desired, Dodge on Friday released a video highlighting the final recording planned for production, and it sounds remarkably close to a genuine V8 exhaust note, though it's also easy to tell it's fake. The sound is for the Charger Daytona RT and Charger Daytona Scat Pack models. It's likely another sound will be reserved for a future Hellcat replacing model rumored to be called the SRT Banshee. Selecting the vehicle's Sport mode delivers a medium sound output, while selecting Drag, Drift, Donut, and Track modes dials up a louder sound. A stealth mode is also included, for those times when you don't want to wake up the neighbors. The Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust incorporates driver and vehicle inputs, such as accelerator pedal position, speed, and torque output for the intensity of the sound, though there's no brake in the sound like what you get when a shift is made in a gas car with a multi-gear transmission. The Charger Daytona SRT concept had a feature called the Erupt transmission, which used software to control the drive motors in a way that simulates shifts, though this feature isn't present on the Charger Daytona. There is, however, a PowerShot feature that offers a 40 HP boost lasting 15 seconds. With the extra kick, the Charger Daytona RT delivers 496 HP and the Charger Daytona Scat Pack 670 HP. In the case of the latter, you're looking at enough grunt for 0-60 mph acceleration in 3.3 seconds, a quarter-mile ET in 11.5 seconds, and a top speed of 134 mph. Whether gimmicks like the Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust will convince V8 fans to make the switch to the electric Charger remains to be seen. Don't count on an actual V8 being offered, at least from the factory. Dodge parent company Stellantis is phasing out the V8 across its lineup. The good news is that the company will continue to offer a V8 in crate form, though the potential for an engine swap with the Charger's inline-six is still up in the air. The aftermarket may come up with a solution, assuming there's demand for it.